This is a TIG welding tungsten. It's a 2.4mm tungsten. I use 2.4 nearly all the time. I've ruined more grinding wheels than enough sharpening tungstens, so I'm going to have a go at making a quick tungsten grinder, just using an angle grinder, just to save a bit of time and save all the burnt finger ends. I've got a 2.4mm drill, just about 2.4. I've got an 8mm cap head. I'm going to drill a hole through the end of there and then go about mounting this onto my little angle grinder. These cap heads are quite hard and tough, and it doesn't seem to drill at all, so I have to be very careful. It's just an ordinary high-speed steel drill. It's nothing fantastic. Got the lathe running at 1000 RPM. Gently feed the drill in. Keep backing it off because it does want to snap off in there. Right, that's it through. This is my little DeWalt battery angle grinder. I've had it a while. It's a really useful bit of kit. So I've just drilled a hole through there. The hole's actually 8.5mm, so there's plenty of slack for the little bolt we've made. I'll put a nut on the bolt first. That goes through there. And put a nut on the back, which of course means you can still use the grinder. It doesn't stop you from using the grinder in any way. It's not going to get in the way, and if it did, you would just remove it. It's one of my new spanners. Right, that's simply nipped up, and then all I did, I bent the guard so it's got a little bit of an angle on, so when you put the tungsten in, the tungsten is at an angle to the wheel. Obviously you've got to wear safety glasses. This is a cutting disc. Right, and that's put a very nice point on. The good thing with the cutting disc is when you touch the tungsten, you ball the end up, you can just use that bit there to chop it off and then straighten it and grind it. You can make it any size you want it for 16th tungstens, 8th tungstens, whatever size you use. There's the one there with a damaged end, it doesn't want to go through.